Okay, so hi dear Leo, very good evening to you guys. This is Taro Anjali, and this is a health, career, and finances reading for all the Leo, Sun, Moon, Venus rising for the month of rest of the month of March 2026. So please keep in mind, I'm not a career counselor, not a health counselor, not a financial advisor. I'm just reading the cards, honey. Please, you guys have a free will to take your own decisions, and I or my channel is not responsible for any decisions that you guys take, even if it is a personal reading, honey, right? Cool. So, for personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box. And for tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass, also links are given below. So, let's start, my love, Leo. Let's start with your health and then go further on. Let's see. अभी उठी हूँ नींद से तुम्हारा ख्वाब देख कर. Let's start. For your health, we have the Five of Wands. Okay, so you might be working too much, or you might be doing so many things at the same time. Your energies are scattered in so many directions. Okay, first thing, try to manage your energies between rest and work. Okay, rest and work, rest and work. That should be the cycle. It's not like work, 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 work. My God. I'm so sorry. It came out as funny, but anyway, so hey, my dimples are coming. I don't know. Give me a break. Laugh with me. Oh, breathe. So maybe you needed this laughter medicine today. Anyways, honey, watch out for doing so many things at the same time and exhausting the hell out of yourself, right? Work and rest, okay? And second thing, what I'm getting here is please don't participate in any kind of drama, any kind of chaos or a conflict or any kind of fights, whether it's internal or external, right? Because it's going to make your energies go like in the drain without any reason. So try to steer clear of any kind of drama, conflict, or chaos, whether it's external or internal, and try not to do so many things at the same time, and rest also. Guidance is the Three of Pentacles. If you are if you're struggling with some kind of health issue, and from for more than 3 weeks or 3 months up to like this thing, whether it's a small thing, you should take help from somebody who can actually help you to figure out what the real issue is, so that you guys can get rid of that problem. For some of you, you guys have a completely messed up digestive system. This is the fire energy. Wands is the fire energy that is directly related to our digestive fire as well, uh, according to cards, intuitive energies. So if you have a fucked up and messed up digestive system and you're not able to get rid of the problem that you're facing, no matter what kind of problem it is, maybe it's digestive system. If our stomach is, if our gut is not okay, 90%, 80 to 90% of the problem starts with our guts. So with our gut, so take help from somebody who can actually help you to figure out the problem, and then help you to heal. For those of you who are working for others or doing job, the Hierophant. So you might find a mentor or a guru or a father figure or somebody who is going to see a potential in you, who is observing you, who is noticing you, and they are like trying to understand when you are going to be capable of moving to the next level, wherever you are, whatever you're doing. And there is like a superior energy that's watching you, and they're trying to understand when it is going to be the right time for you to have some more responsibilities or have a salary hike or promotion or something like that. And or you are going to find somebody, a mentor or a guru or somebody who is going to guide you in your career in a very very beautiful and positive way, and you are going to feel very very relaxed. You are going to feel like finally you found the person who is going to actually be there for you, who is going to actually help you to, wow, to enhance your career in some way. I don't know how. Guidance is the Two of Pentacles. If you if you are not sure about your career right now, if you're not able to understand what you should be doing and what you should not be doing in this situation, in this department of your life, job, career, just calm down, relax. Don't make any kind of life changing decisions until unless you guys are stable enough, emotionally and mentally stable enough to understand what you should be doing and what you should not be doing. So refrain from taking or making any kind of life changing decisions or choices when it comes to your job or career opportunities, okay, until unless you guys are stable enough and you know understanding enough, right? You can definitely take help from somebody who is expert, who is a superior, who is a senior, or who is having a lot of experience in your field. That will help you a lot. For those of you who are self-employed or doing business, we have the Seven of Cups. You guys are going to be a little bit confused. Maybe you guys are planning to add some more things in your existing business, or you are trying to plan to start another business or another branches also, but it is going to be a little bit messy before it's going to be clear to you guys. So there is going to be a lot of confusion. There is going to be a lot of this energy of I don't know what should I do. I don't know how should I start. I don't know how should I proceed. These kind of energies are there. A little bit of, actually a lot of confusion and a lot of chaos is there. So in your career, there whether you are doing job or whether you are self-employed, there are lots of things that are not clear to you. There are lots of things that are up in the air. You guys need to calm down and relax and properly think about it. The star here as the guidance is you guys need to, relax, sit with yourself, stay optimistic and positive in this direction, but take the actions with full clarity, full understanding of where you are going and what you are doing. Don't make any kind of moves, don't make any kind of choices or decisions until unless you guys are going to be fully in this energy of understanding what you should be doing and what you should not be doing, whether it's a job thing or a self-employment thing. There is a requirement of stability, there is a requirement of healing yourself properly from the previous negative impacts that you guys had in this department, right? But until unless you guys are sure, don't make any kind of life changing moves or decisions. For those of you who are starting or restarting their career, whether it's a job thing or business thing, we have the Ten of Pentacles. There are very good chances that you guys will be able to fetch some kind of good opportunity with the help of family or like mutual family members or friends of friends. Something related to your family or someone related to your family is going to help you out in getting this new opportunity, whether it's a job thing or it's a business thing, whether it's your first job or first business or otherwise. Okay, so there are very good chances of you guys finding an opportunity that has the potential, that have the potential to become actually really very very big, really very very good in the coming future. Hmm? Guidance is the King of Swords. Before taking any kind of like job opportunity or work opportunity in your hands, make sure that everything is crystal clear right in front of you, right? Like everything is crystal clear, everything, the documentation, the agreements, the terms and conditions, you understand everything properly before saying yes to this brand new opportunity. Okay, again, whether it's a business thing or a job thing, you guys have to understand all the terms and conditions and agreements and everything properly before proceeding further. Otherwise it can become very difficult to deal with kind of other situation in the future if not taken care of properly. Hmm? Okay, so for your finances, we have the Seven of Wands. You guys have to protect your finances this month, honey. You might have this tendency to you might have this tendency to spend a lot, and you are not being consistent with your finances, and you might be struggling with that, right? So the time has come for you guys to make a proper plan, to stay consistent, to commit to your financial goals and work on that. If you are not going to be serious about your finances, if you are not going to do whatever it takes to keep your finances in check, you might have trouble in creating a solid base for your financial growth, right? So you have to take a stand for your finances. You have to stop doing things that you should not be doing. You guys like have to have stronger boundaries, and then accordingly you guys should plan and strategize. The guidance here is the Four of Wands. If you're looking for long term happiness, long term stability when it comes to your finances, you have to work accordingly. It's simple, like it's similar to relationships. If you want a long term relationship with someone, stable relationship with someone, you are consistent, you put in the efforts and energy to make things happen, right? Same with money thing, finances thing. If you want some long term goal to be fulfilled in your financial area, you guys have to be consistent and disciplined. It's not going to be like one day you are saving $100, next day you are spending 150. I don't think so it's ever going to work out then. You guys have to be serious about this shit, right? So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Leo. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.